Hello, good day. This is Angelo Santos, and today's tutorial I will show you how you can now publish your site and GroovePages to a subdomain and custom domain. So to publish it, just click on this publish icon, and now you will see that this will be the new interface on the publish section. So you will have the option to manage domains. If you don't have any connected subdomains or domains, just click on this side. But if you have already created your domains or subdomains, just click this drop down and just select the domain type. You can choose on custom domain and GroovePages subdomain. So if you choose this GroovePages subdomain, you will have this folder and you will put the name of the folder here. So let's just set this as tech. So this will be the URL to the publish page. So if we now the publish option have the current page on this page only, and the website is the whole pages including the pages inside your site. So if you click this website, it will publish all the sites you have on this site, all the pages. And once you publish it, you just need to wait for the green indication here, and once that is set, you can just go and copy this URL here, but you need to add a / to. So now you will see that it is now published. You just need to copy this, one, and then you will just paste it, but add a /. So this will be needed for your site to work, and subdomain. So as you can see now, it is now published and is set on a GroovePages subdomain. So now if you want to publish it using a custom domain, just select the drop down and select a custom domain, and then select the domain you want to connect it to. So I have plenty of domains here. So if I try to select this domain here, and I will just you will see you will have now the option here. Once you publish your site, you will have these options here. Alright, so you can also publish it again and copy the clipboard. So you can just unpublish it first if you want to connect it to your custom domain, and then just so it is now disconnected, and just click again publish. And once you publish your site, let's just remove this one. You will notice that it will be published if this publish button here will turn out to pink, and also the green indication here will pop up. So let's just wait for that confirmation. Alright, let's just wait. Now, so the publish now is being published. If you hover it to this website here, you will have the option to go to the actual page, to copy this URL, or to publish it again. Alright, so if you click this go to the live, if you click this one, you will automatically get to this page here. If you just copy this clipboard, it will copy the URL, and you can just paste it here. So that's the current update with the publish button. So if you just republish it, you just click this third option here. Alright, and also with this current page. So once you publish your site, you will have 3 options now here. So if you will connect it to another domain or connect it to subdomain, just need to unpublish it first, and then publish it again with another subdomain or custom domain. And I hope that helps, and have a great day everyone.